Eat it, Teague.
You're lucky I love you. Yes, you are.
Okay, I'm going in for more.
What?
Ah, ah, I love your hair, he says. I want to eat it. I'm gonna eat it.
You're crazy.
I'm gonna eat it.
You have tears yet?
No, it doesn't hurt.
Papa starts to cry.
Yeah, he does.
It doesn't hurt.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, he messed up your hair.
Oh, that's a shock.
Hello?
That doesn't take much. What are you doing?
Hello?
What are you doing,
Finding my
Crazy?
next grasp.
Right there.
Some
800 number.
What are you doing?
665 now.
I love to pull your hair.
You like my hair?
Yeah.